Hello friends, today we will install full version of Sejda PDF easily. So let's get started. Usually Sejda PDF Desktop Pro costs $69.95 per year. But you can get full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your Sejda PDF Desktop Pro is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With Sejda PDF Desktop Pro, you get the ultimate PDF editing experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from quick edits to complex document manipulation and batch processing. Here are the main advantages of Sejda PDF Desktop Pro. Unlimited file size. Work with PDFs of any size, even hundreds of pages without restrictions. Batch processing. Edit, convert, or compress hundreds of PDFs at once with just a few clicks. Advanced editing tools, add, delete, rotate, and rearrange pages instantly. Text editing, modify existing text directly in your PDF, change fonts, sizes, and colors. OCR technology, convert scanned documents and images into editable, searchable PDFs. Merge and split, combine multiple PDFs or extract specific pages in seconds. Compression without quality loss, reduce file sizes by up to 90% while maintaining clarity. Forms creation and filling, create fillable forms or complete existing ones digitally. Digital signatures, sign documents electronically with legally binding signatures. Watermarks and headers, add custom watermarks, page numbers, and headers to any document. Password protection. Secure your PDFs with encryption and permission settings. Convert to and from PDF. Work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, and over 20 other formats. Annotation tools. Highlight, underline, add sticky notes and drawings. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors, just the full Pro version, working exactly like the official one. The Desktop Pro version also includes no internet required, work offline with complete privacy, no daily task limits, process unlimited documents every day, no watermarks on output files, advanced PDFA conversion for long-term archiving, redaction tools to permanently remove sensitive information, Bates numbering for legal documents. Compare two PDFs side by side to spot differences instantly. You could try the online trial version instead, but you'll face major limitations. Only 3 tasks per day, maximum 50 megabytes or 200 pages per file, watermarks on some features, no batch processing, and constant internet requirement. Plus, your sensitive documents get uploaded to their servers. Or pay $70 every year. That's $350 over 5 years just to edit PDFs efficiently. You can find Sejda PDF Desktop Pro and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Adobe Acrobat, Foxit, Nitro PDF, and more professional tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Sejda PDF Desktop Pro.